right. Pinpoint weather alert day is upon us. You know, we've just kind of had this up and down pattern. We had that severe weather last week, and now here we go again. The good news is, though, is that this is a little bit of a lower risk, Jim, of what's coming our way than compared to last week.
Yeah, severe weather could be defined many different ways. Heavy rain, tornadoes, thunderstorms, everything in between. This is not going to be the heaviest with tornadoes and severe thunderstorms, but heavy rain at an ill-placed time before the evening commute.
Yeah, that makes it
all
tricky.
kind of comes together. It's like living up north. You get that half-inch of snow, the first snowfall of the season. Everybody goes crazy, right?
They sure do.
But same with here. You know, we get rain, people go crazy on the roads here, and that's what's probably going to happen. This is Boone, our look up at Boone, and no rain up there yet. They're going to get some rain, but it won't be of the heavier nature. As you go south toward the Piedmont and our part of the world, yeah, that's where the heavier rain is going to be. So here's our forecast for this afternoon. Heavy rain threat looks pretty ominous as it comes in from the southwest. Showers and storms on the increase to our southwest, and it's just a matter of time before it gets here. Right now, our temperature is 69. Dew point is rising up there. The atmosphere is getting more and more moist as these storms approach, and we're going to see the clouds darken up, and we'll watch thunder and lightning begin to show up on more and more in our area and hear it, and we'll watch the rain come down at a pretty good pace. 70 degrees was our high yesterday. That's the normal high. Normal low is 46, it was 47, so we were really close to the way we should be for this typical April, this early week of April. Now, let's talk about the rain. This is the broader view showing the showers. So look at all this big cluster right there of lightning. These are lightning hits representing that storm cluster that's coming in from the south and southwest. We mentioned the lighter rain up toward Boone and Blowing Rock that's coming their way, but down south here it's the heavier rain that we're more concerned with. And a little closer view of our region shows Charlotte right there. You can see coming up from the southwest up 85, that cluster of showers and storms. So again, we got a good 2 hours here before it gets to our part of the world. But as you go farther west, Gaston County, Shelby, out that way, you'll get it quicker than we will here in the metro. So radar showing that shower and thunderstorm advancing system. There's the hits of lightning that are showing up dramatically. I called up Atlanta and Athens and Macon, a couple cities right down here in Georgia, and they're getting heavy rain as we speak, and they've had a couple of hours worth of it. So it's not just a quick little downpour, it's a couple hours of heavy rain with rumbles of thunder and lightning. No high winds, but just the kind of thing that'll be a mess this afternoon and an ill-placed time mid to late afternoon when folks are starting to come home from work. This is, again, all part of a bigger system that has the heavier stuff to the south of us. Let's say from central Georgia and central Alabama southward. That is a mean line of showers and storms there that have produced a lot in the way of tornadoes. So we're not going to get that here. It doesn't look like that's going to be a widespread threat here. But we do expect to see the heavy rain, rumbles of thunder, lightning, and kind of an active afternoon, again, at an ill-placed time. There it is, showing up at 4:45 this afternoon. Then it dries out overnight, and for Wednesday, it's going to be a crazy day, up around 80. Summer's going to be back here briefly, and then look what happens on Wednesday night. Thursday, it's a cold front that's going to bring us very chilly weather for the weekend, and another round of showers and storms coming up at that time. So active day today, an active overnight Wednesday night into Thursday, and that's what happens in the extended forecast. That front comes down late Wednesday, Thursday. It calms down, but look at these highs in the 60s, lows in the 30s. Yeah, kind of crazy cool down coming away, chilly weather for the second week in April we're going into, Annie.